This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Ruth Soar. This could be the perfect home for your family. 3 bedrooms plus a studio apartment, open floor plan with fireplace, new roof, updated kitchen, new hood vent, dishwasher, countertops, butcher block, composite sink, backsplash, and new light fixtures and ceiling fans throughout the house, and that's just inside. Outside you have a barn with 3 stalls with separate runs, tack room, hay storage, grain storage, open stall and chicken coop. And that doesn't even cover the view from your back patio or the long driveway, providing privacy from the road. I could go on and on, but it would be better if you could see it in person. Call your favorite realtor today. For more information, review the details below.